Yeah, I am.
Okay. No.
What's next?
Now I gotta build. Look, one of the ghosts is holding a hot dog. Oh, here's the hot dog that one of the ghosts.
He's holding a hot dog.
Okay.
Mm.
This one is This is the one that's holding a hot dog. Look, it's holding a hot dog.
Ashlyn, turn it off. We'll put the headphones on.
Now all I gotta do is build that thing.
You want to play with the Play-Doh. What are you building now?
This thing.
Ding-a-ding. Bring me some of the Sprite. I'm thirsty and I want... What did I do? I'm watching Caleb.
No, you can watch the building. Like, you can take me like...
Here's a hot mess. There's Seahawk girl, Ashlyn. The My Little Pony shirt on. Caleb. Seahawk boy. He is playing. What are you playing with? What are you making?
It's kind of like a big box, but it's not.
No. I got that with some birthday money. And then Caleb gave Ashlyn
my birthday money, I think.
some birthday money to... Because he's a sweet, loving older brother. He does love his sister.
You so they know you're talking.
Huh?
So they know you're in the video.
He gave her one of his birthday gift cards to give her something since she didn't have anything. And what did you get? But it's something you both can do. We'll get it.
Got
But it's something that you both can play with, so that was nice of
Which
you.
is my mom said she's gonna play with it too.
Yep, in a little bit.
And then his Mom, look, this is the second weapon for Cole.
Oh, for who?
As you see, I have sword. He has swords in his back. But this is his second. This is his second weapon that he needs to hold.
Hold on.
Wait, where's Zane?
What'd you do with him?
I don't know. These are the ghosts.
Oh, he's in your room. I know I saw
These
him.
are the ghosts that, and one's holding a hot dog. That's funny, right?
Yes.
And here is the guy that's
And I got...
Oh.
These guys are evil. This guy is not. So this is, so as you see, I'm piling them up into different areas. So first where's Zane? On my bed, I think? No.
No.
Oh.
So
I got this Play-Doh sweet shop, and it comes with 5.
I'll go look for him when you're done.
5
He's in there.
Play-Dohs. It comes with 2 regular Play-Dohs and 3 Play-Doh pluses. I like the Play-Doh pluses because they have these little lines right here, so you could pick it up easier. And this is what
Let me go.
And this is what the back. This is what the back looks like. And here's a thing you could do. You can make treats. You can make some treats. You can have it in a cone. You could have it in a little glass cup, and you can make treats.
Hey, where's Cole's other weapon?
Hey, you're sitting on him. You're sat on it.
And you could use
I'll go get him,
spoons.
Caleb. Hold on.
And you could use spoons.
Mm.
Some spoons. And that's where
wait,
You can make little candies and people do it on the side.
and
To make.
that's where you could. That's
waffles.
where you put the thing and you push it down.
Okay, well, don't let it go on anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna go find Zane.
Mom.
I did something with him. What?
Wait, I want to show the people that are gonna watch our video something. It comes with stickers.
Cool.
And wheels, you guys.
Wheels, and I don't know what these things are for.
Well,
Probably
you'll
they're
find
for
out
the
when you get
car.
further along.
Probably they're for the cars. They are for the cars. That's awesome.
Hold on. We'll do that in just a second.
I
Go
always
find.
get these swords for some reason, but I don't know
Do you want
why.
to hold it to show
We
Caleb
went
while I go
to
find Zane?
Target.
Here. Whoa.
Hold on.
Yes, we got a little pizza and some drink.
And we got
popcorn.
Pizza, popcorn, and a drink. And we also got $1.
Cookies are sitting on his things.
And we got $1. We got some. And we also got cookies and few snacks.
And Mommy had to get her a white nail polish because mine disappeared. Because I'm going to use the white when I do my nails. I'm not yet. For with the blue and green that I have for Seahawks for when they play next Sunday.
Our cousins left today.
Yeah. We'll see them next month. We're going to go up to visit them.
What?
To go to the Texas fair. We're going to go to a fair for Popo's birthday. Oh, we've never been up there. No.
Next, Mommy said, tell them what we said. Okay, Mom said that
I heard you.
I know. We're gonna go.
That's
up
the game
and see
plan anyway, but
them.
Mommy
We're
will
gonna
try
go
to save
up
some
and
money.
see them.
I'm going to try and be doing
We never
substituting
went
for a
up-
while.
And we never went up to go and see them.
Yep. We'll have to take our sleeping bags. You can sleep on the floor.
Yep.
Let me go find your thing.
So
Hey, look, little wrenches. That's
So
awesome.
you can...
you want to face me? How do you get this?
I gotta turn it around.
You do?